by her to succeed. A bit of health now. Lawmakers are joining the fight to end tuberculosis by 2030 as they seek government efforts to take the lead by providing the necessary funds to close the 70% funding gap that exists. Experts say there is an urgency for continued and intensified efforts to meet the goal of ending tuberculosis. Kemi Balogun has details.
Tuberculosis remains the second leading cause of death from a single infectious agent. In the African region, about 2.5 million individuals were infected in 2022, with 424,000 deaths recorded, resulting in the loss of one life every minute. Nigeria ranks first in the African region and sixth globally with the highest burden of tuberculosis. This work to raise awareness on the prevention and treatment of TB is just one out of many strategies put in place for the TB response in Nigeria. Experts, advocates, and supporters, including lawmakers, take part in this annual event and insist that ending TB should be a priority for government.
A disheartening situation right now that we have $388 million required to fight tuberculosis in Nigeria. And 24% of it comes from international donors, with only 6% of that money being funded locally. There's a 70% gap that is unfunded currently that we need to find a way to fill. Nigerian government must take a lead right now to fund much more of this to fight tuberculosis.
The Chairman House Committee on HIV and AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria Control has now declared the support of lawmakers in the fight of ending TB. He reveals that they will play their role to protect and promote the rights of people affected by TB in putting in place laws and policies to support those affected and their families.
A person who is already being treated by TB cannot spread this disease anymore, has the right to walk, has the right to associate, the right of human dignity, the right to health, freedom, and indeed the right to movement and housing.
Challenges such as delayed diagnosis, limited access to new tools and technologies, and the ongoing threat of multi-drug resistant TB still remains. But experts say with continued vigilance and sustained efforts, the continent can achieve success in ending TB. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.
Elsewhere, parents of a toddler